welcome to my channel. I'm Eduard Dupal-ag. And for today, I'm going to discuss about my landing page for my official business, side hustle, St. Peter Life Plan. So this is my website address, edwardzenfongo.wixsite.com/St. Peter Life Plan. You can type it on your browser and it should pop up. So I added here on the top of my page the official logo of our St. Peter Life Plan. So what is St. Peter Life Plan, guys? This is the leading and number one life plan in the Philippines. Uh, we have different branches all over the Philippines. And here on the right side, St. Peter Lifeline Sales Agent Edward. So this is the name of my Facebook page. So why choose St. Peter Life Plan? For as low as 775 per month, you get the complete memorial services, transferable and assignable, anti-inflation protection, life and accidental insurance, waiver of installments, cash assistant benefit, unrendered service, loan option, and this is for limited time offer since the value of the life plan always go up every year. And here there's the official picture for my offer, and then you can scan this barcode and it will route you to the official St. Peter page where you can sign up and fill out the form so that you can avail the plan. And here the opening hours of our office is Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Let's scroll up a bit. And here, if you're interested, you can fill out the form and click on send button. I also added here the address, my email, and phone number. Just fill it out. Let's try it. First name, last name. Let's just say Edu, then my official email address, Edward. That zenphone at gmail.com. So this is my different email, and then let's just put here our inquiry, how much, then send. So after you send that, or after the customer or prospect will send the message, it will send to my official email address. And then here I added my Facebook page. If you click that, it will route you to my Facebook page for St. Peter Life Plan. And it will show here my picture. And if you can see, I have 704 followers, and this is a legit official page. And if the customer would like to subscribe, you can click this one. This is my official referral page for the business. And then once you click that, it will route you to the official online St. Peter website where you can fill out and submit your payment, and then you can have your contract sent to your email address after. Okay, so that's a legit, guys, St. Peter Life Plan. So that is needed for everyone since we all die, right? So if you have savings right now, I would suggest that you invest it to St. Peter Life Plan, since it's better that you have a plan, or you plan ahead, since we don't know what will happen in the future, especially now that we are on a crisis, and it's very expensive to pay for the memorial service, you need to pay upfront at least 100,000 pesos compared to